everyone, my name is Janita, other known as Musti, and today we're going to play an interesting mathematical interactive game. Okay, without further ado, let us get started. We are doing a mathematics interactive game. The grade in which we are doing this game for is for grade 2. Remember everyone that you must have had completed the content from term 3 in order to proceed with this game. Also remember that we always use the CAPS document for everything that we do. So our content area in which our content for this game is found is the numbers, operations and relationships content area, under the topic being addition and subtraction. Also remember that when you're doing your lesson plan, you will be prompted to play this game in the consolidation phase. The outcomes, or rather, what you will gain after playing this game are the following. You will be able to gain critical thinking skills. This means that you will be thinking really fast. Learners will be able to focus on making sense of mathematical ideas. This means that no matter how big the problem is, you will be able to understand each problem and they have to be able to solve the problem. Also, learners will solve problems in context up to 99. Now remember, as I said earlier, we are working with the CAPS document. So in the CAPS document here, it says that you need to be able to solve problems in context up to 99. So basically, your outcomes are linked to your CAPS document. The instructions for this game is very simple. All you need to do is to remember to click on the arrow at the bottom right hand side in order to go to the next page. Also remember to have an additional page next to you to work out each question as you go along. Also remember to finish questions as fast as you can, and most above all, remember you're testing your mind and you must have fun. The rules for this game is also very simple. Remember, you need to play with 2 players per a team or more. This means that you're going to have team A or team B. You can even call it group A or group B, even if you want to call it insects or bees, or cheetahs and leopards. Whatever you want to do, you can call it whatever names you want. Right, so, but for the purpose of this video, we're going to call it group A and group B. Okay, so remember, play with 2 players per team. Also, remember that when you're in your group, my advice is to make sure that you have 4 players in each team, right? In this way, you will have other members to help you to get the answers as fast as you can. And remember, more minds are better than one. Another rule for the game is that you should not ask outside players for assistance. This means players from the other team or players that are still waiting for their turn. Always keep the discussion within your group. Remember to always look into your own screen. Group B will have their own screen and Group A will have their own screen. So always make sure to look into your screen only. Remember that the first team to complete the game wins. Remember, this is why you're doing the game fast. You need to understand effectively and finish it first in order to win. You can also use an abacus or counters to assist you. Remember, my name is Miss D, and today we're going to grab our thinking caps and play. Right, to our game. Our game is called Fun with Numbers. We're going to click play. Now, the question goes, Lebo was given 68 marbles. Along came her cousin with 13 more marbles. How many marbles does Lebo and her cousin have all together? So you are going to go and think about our lesson that we just did. Think about how you're able to understand this question, how you're going to break down this question, whether this question asks you to add or subtract. Once you get the answer, you're going to have to choose the correct answer from option 1, 2, or 3. If you have the option wrong, you'll be prompted right over here with either a correct symbol or an incorrect symbol. If your symbol is incorrect, you will be given another chance to go ahead and try to answer this question again. However, if you are correct, like I'm going to choose the correct one right here, you're going to have a correct symbol and you're going to choose the next page. Then it's going to say, get ready for the next question. Then you're going to go on to the next slide and press the arrow. You're going to go onto the next page. Remember, you need to know how to understand, think critically in order to finish the question above. Now, 30 learners lined up to jump rope. 9 learners joined and 4 learners left. Think about what this question asks you. So I'm going to choose an incorrect answer, okay? This is what's going to happen. You're going to be prompted with an X, and then you're going to choose the next arrow, and you're going to be asked to do it again. So then you're going to go on to and choose the correct answer. And that's when you see you are prompted with a green logo, correct logo, and then you're going to go on to the next one. This slide is going to say, you are so good. Always remember that when you're going on throughout the game, you're going to get motivating quotes to help you to finish this game. Can you see? Now, Kate's school hosted a market day. Kate bought 12 cupcakes. Sarah brought 15 scones. Ben brought 7 snowballs. How many cakes are there for the market day altogether? So, how many are there? 12 plus 15 plus 7. That's correct. There we go. As I said, it's getting better and better. Look at that, you're becoming a champion. And for the last question, don't forget to always use your abacus. Do you know what a math wizard is? That's correct. Have a look. Thank you for playing fun with numbers with me. I hope you had fun.